Hello everyone, this is Akansha Bajpayee from Divine Public School, class teacher of class 2. Today we are going to learn English and the name of your book is Prime English Class 2. We are going to learn chapter number 3, Learning Together. Before starting the reading of the story, I'll just tell something about the story. This story is about a girl named Rama. She is the daughter of a security guard and she is very fond of going to school, and she also wants to study and to learn to read and write like other students. And in this story you will see that two students who used to go to the school will help her in the studies, and they one girl keep a promise to Rama that she is going to teach her, and she fulfills her promise by teaching her to read and write. So let us read the story. First of all, we'll start reading. The bell rang tring. It was recess. The children ran out of the classroom. So what happened? First of all, the bell rang tring, and it was a recess time. It is a lunch break when the children ran out of the classroom to have their lunch. Now the next paragraph. Jia and Hussein had their lunch. Then they ran to the playground and started playing with a flying disc. So both these students, both of the friends, Jia and Hussein, they had finished their lunch and they ran to the playground and started playing with a flying disc. Now what happened? Two students, they are running to the playground. Playground is a difficult word. It is a ground where the students go to play. So they started playing their flying disc. Then what happened? The disc flew and fell near a wall. They both ran to pick it up. Near the wall, they saw a little girl. She was grazing her goat. Then what happened? The disc flew and fell near the wall. The disc which they were playing, it flew and fell near the wall. They both ran to pick it up. Near the wall, they saw a little girl, and that girl was grazing her goat. And the meaning of grazing is causing to eat grass. Then what happened? The girl smiled and waved at Jia. Jia in turn smiled at her. So the girl, what happened? She waved to Jia, and Jia in turn is also a difficult word. In turn meaning is as a reply. Jia smiled at her. Next line. Do you know her? Hussein asked. Then Hussein asked to Jia, do you know her? Then Jia said, yes, she is Rama. Her father is the security guard of our apartment. Then Jia said, yes, she is Rama and I know her. Her father is a security guard. Security guards are the guards who guard the places like apartments where there are so many houses where people live. So he is a guard, security guard of her apartment, of Jia's apartment. So these are the difficult words, security guard and apartment. So next we'll come to the next slide. Hi Rama, what are you doing here? Asked Jia. Then Jia asked to Rama, hi Rama, what are you doing here? Then what happened? Rama replied, Didi, I love to come here every day. I want to go to school too. I want to read books like you. Then Rama replied that she also wants to come here every day. She loves to come there every day and she wants to go to school. She also wants to read like you, means she also wants to read and study like other students. Then what happened? Rama, we will help you read and write, Jia said. Then Jia said to Rama that we will help you to read and write. Rama smiled and said, we will take you with us. When we go to play in the park, we will sit under the banyan tree and learn together, suggested Jia. So suggested is a difficult word for you. So Jia suggested to Rama, "We'll take you with us. When we go to play in the park, we can sit under the banyan tree and learn together." Then next what will happen in the story, we'll see. Soon the bell rang again. Then again the bell rang. Jia and Hussein ran back to their classroom. So their break was over and Jia and Hussein ran back to their classroom again. Keeping her promise, Jia taught Rama to read. On some days Hussein would help too. He taught Rama to write. So keeping her promise is also a difficult word for you. So keeping her promise, Jia also taught Rama to read. On some or the other days Hussein also would help to her too. He taught Rama to write. Rama would bring ripe guavas and share them with Jia and Hussein. So Rama used to bring ripe guavas and used to share that guavas with Jia and Hussein. The children enjoyed the guavas before going home. Then the children enjoy eating guavas before going home. Soon Rama learned to read. Soon Rama learned to read. The three of them would together read adventure stories and fairy tales. So three of them, all Jia, Rama and Hussein, they read the stories, adventure stories and fairy tales, that are the difficult words. She also learned to solve math problems. Rama also learned to solve math problems. They also solved number games together. So they used to solve number games also together. So learning together is a fun indeed. So learning together is a fun for them, and they have taught a poor girl Rama to read, write and learn maths. So this is the end of a story. Hope you all enjoy this story very well. Thank you.